Hey guys, so I'm testing out YouTube's new feature. If you're able to watch this video in full screen portrait mode, comment a heart. So for all my Jamaican subscribers, don't bash me. The ackee is already cooked, so what I do is just rinse it in some hot water to remove the brine, and then I actually add it to heat to cook it some more, of course. Hello everyone, welcome to C Fitness, your spot for faith, food and fitness. Then I chop up my veggies TikTok style. How much do you rate my transitions? Comment down below. So for this part, I'm basically using a wrap, molding it over a bowl, and then I just place it in the air fryer. You can place it in the oven for a few minutes, less than 5 minutes, and it's hard enough, firm enough for you to do your salad. Yeah. So for meal number 2, I'm making a wrap, and if you know, every good wrap has a good glue, and I'm using mashed avocado. Just look at that. Are you loving it? For meal number 3, I'm using a pre-made taco shell, and I'm just adding the fillings. Meal number 1, an ackee salad bowl. Meal number 2, an ackee wrap. And lastly, some ackee tacos. See how easy those were? Now it's your turn to try.